Hi, to set light notification on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, as a first step, let's go in the phone settings and here find the step wallpaper and personalization. So from here choose notification effects and now you'll see many options for animation. So just go through the list and select something by tapping it, for example, this starlight or this pulse blue. And now when you will receive new notification, edges of your screen will pulse by blue like that. And now to save the changes, just simply go back. So let me show you another way how we can enable light notifications. For that, you need to scroll down and choose additional settings. Then from the list, select Accessibility. And here on the top, you will need to switch from General to Hearing. After that, you should simply find this feature Beam for notifications. And basically, you can enable for your main camera to flash when you receive notification. For that, tap on this switcher and you can also tap preview button to check how it will look. So basically your phone's camera would be flashing like that. And also you can set flashing screen. So for that just choose color from the list, for example blue, tap preview, and now this is how it will look when you'll receive notification. But I don't like this flash on screens, so I'm gonna disable it and leave just the camera flash. And now if you want for your selfie camera to light up when you receive notification, let me show you how you can do this. For that, go in Play Store and find this app, Notification Light aodNotify. Then simply install it and we can immediately open it. So after that, we would need to allow some permissions. For that, tap Next button. And here, the first step, we will need to select apps in which we wanna get this light notification. So I'm gonna choose all of my apps and go back. Now we need to tap on notification access and from battery saver switch to no restrictions. And then tap again. And here choose this app aodNotify and enable to allow access. And then you would see this warning that it is highly sensitive permission. So you need to put check mark that you are aware of possible risks and then tap OK. And now we need to go in this last step, draw on screen, tap next. And now you would see this accessibility settings. So from here, you would need to choose this last tab, downloaded apps, find this new one and enable to use it. Now we get the same warning, so you need to simply put a check mark that you are aware of possible risks and tap OK. And that's basically it. Now you can tap down button. And if you want to, you can buy these premium options, but I'm gonna close these ads. So what we are gonna do here is we can customize our light notifications. Firstly, let's choose Notifications tab. Here we can go in Apps and choose apps in which we want to enable our light up notifications. And also we can disable this phone unlocked so we can ignore notifications when phone is unlocked. Now let's go back and choose Notification Light. So firstly we can go in Style and here choose Camera Edge. Just take a look at my selfie camera. Now you should see this like circle around my camera. So select camera and the same on lock screen. Now we can go back and choose effects. And in here we got either pulse, rotate, which will look like that, and the last one, gravity. Unfortunately, the rest of the effects are for the premium, but you can adjust speed here. This one is available. So I'm gonna leave this pulse and go back. Now we can go in dimensions. Here we can adjust thickness just by tapping the arrows. Just take a look how it will change right here. We can also resize it. So let me just resize it because I really need to adjust the circle. And we can also drag the slider. And the maximum is 150%. So let me just make it smaller. And of course, we can change its position. So just drag those sliders left or right. And if you messed up, you can always reset everything. Now we can also choose display time. So you can hide notification lights after this amount of time. Maximum here is 5 minutes, and everything above 5 minutes is for the Pro version. So let's close it and go back. And we can go in notification preview and change some settings as well. And also what we can do else here, except for changing position and so on, we can go in colors. Here we can choose app colors, and as you can see, if you get Pro version, you can change color for any particular app. And we can change default color. So here from blue, I can switch to pink, for example, and this is how it will look on my screen. And we can also set custom color here. So just adjust it as you want to, and then tap OK to confirm. And now this is how your camera will light up when you'll receive new notification. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.